In this video, I'll be showing you how to add overlay using CapCut, okay? Now, what is overlay? Overlay simply means placing a video on a video, or a picture on a video, or a picture on a picture, or a video on a picture, okay? Just like something on top of something. So now this is a video, okay? Now you want to place another video on top of this. It is called overlay. You want to place picture, image on top of this particular video. It is called overlay. Even if you have a picture here and you want to place a video on it or another picture on it using CapCut, the function that does that is called overlay. Now, how do you do that? You enter the background, okay? The main picture or video you want to use as the background, okay? You select it and you add it, okay? Now, when you add it, you click on overlay. You see these functions. You click overlay and you click add overlay. All right? It will take you to your file manager or wherever your pictures and videos are stored. Then you select, okay? Let's quickly select this. All right? Can you see? This video is now on top of this. This is a video.
Thank you for watching.
Can you see? Now, let me shrink this. You see that these two will be playing at the same time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
So that is that for that. Now, if I want to add a picture, let's assume I want to add a picture, no longer a video. I'll still go to the default function, click on overlay, add overlay, and I'll click on photos. All right, and let's take this. Can you see? It's now on this. Let's play. Can you see? So this is how overlay works. Now when you go back, you will now see that there is this image sign here with this line, okay? This sign shows that there is an overlay in this video you are editing, okay? So this is how to add overlay using CapCut. All right? Do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment.